In this video, I will tell you how to create an account to call and chat with friends from the IMO app. IMO app can be easily downloaded from Google Play Store. It doesn't show the download. Let's get started. When you enter the app, you have to select your country. Once you've selected your country, you'll need to enter your phone number. The phone number must be entered after receiving the country code. Click OK. Here, an SMS code will be sent to your phone number. That code must be added here. Enter your name. Here you can add your profile photo. You can add it later if you don't want to. You can either add recovery mail all at once here, or add it later in settings. You can do it however you like. Now you have created an IMO account. You can configure the settings to your liking and use them. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, as we will be presenting more technical videos. See you in the next video.